Hi everyone, welcome back to Ask Nehru. I am Nehru and today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and commonly used operators in RxJS, the merge map. Okay, it's a merge map is an operator. Okay, so it allows us to map and merge values from one observable into another. Let's jump into the code to see how it works and when it's useful. Generally, merge map is used when you need to take each value from an observable and map into another observable, then merge the results into a single observable stream. Seems confusing, right? So let me explain with some practical example. I create a source observable and I use of operator. So it's a creation, observable creation functions. I create A, B, and C. Okay, that's perfectly fine. And in the lifecycle hook, ng on it lifecycle hook, I create another observable called merged. Okay, so here I create a pipe. It's a combining operator. Okay, so here we need to give the merge map. Merge map. So that's perfectly all right. So merge map will take a callback function and we create another observable within it. Okay, so this will emit uh, three values. For example, value. Okay, this will create three values. Okay, value 1. I know need this value. I take simply 1. So this will emit. I remove this so for better understanding. This will emit 1, again 2, again 3. So I have created another observable. Okay, so this is going to emit 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to emit A, B, and C. Now I want to merge this into this. So for that, what I do, I take the value because from the merge map, from the source, already value is being emitted. So I take this with value. Yes. Similarly here, within here, I create another value. And similarly here, I create value again. Okay, so in the first emission, A will be passed into this for three of them. The second emissions, B will be merged with each observable, and in the third emission of this observable, C will be merged with each of the observable. Understand? I hope you understand. If you don't understand, no problem. You watch this video again. You'll understand the whole picture. Then, so these are merged, this observable and this observable merged into a single stream, and another observable is created. So this observable will emit the merged stream. Okay. See the result now. I just subscribe to it and you see guys, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So what is happening here? Let me explain it. So in the first emissions, A is being emitted here. The first emission, A is being emitted here, and A comes here, and A fills here, fills here, fills here. I mean, A is merged in the first observable stream. So A1, A2 and A3. And in the second emissions, B comes here and merged with the observable stream. So B1, B2 and B3 is printed. And the third emission of the first observable, C, is being emitted and comes and merges with this observable. So it comes C1, C2 and C3. Okay. Then everything finally merged into one observable. So mergeMap does the thing, and we are observing it in the merged observable, and finally we are subscribing to it. So everything actually binded with a single streams of data. Okay, therefore we get A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So this is very simple, guys. See this simple example as well. But we can use the same merge map to handle some complicated scenarios like API calls. Maybe I will discuss in the later uh, video. Okay. So today, this is enough. This simple example is enough for your basic understanding. Okay. So that's wrap on the merge map operator. And it's incredibly powerful for handling concurrent streams of data and merging results in real time. So I hope you found this is useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ask Neil for more RxJS and coding content. See you in the next one.